There was a sign of leakage,
Where?
but they aren't sure where it was.
I use the compressed air and liquid soap to create air bubbles in order to find the leak. Is it in fuel tank itself or somewhere in fuel pump O-ring or plastic lock and O-ring has been placed an order. An air suspension system is 4P, leaning at one side of the vehicle after a couple of days. I use mixed water and liquid soap and create bubbles. If the air bubbles is inflated and enlarged, it has an air leak. A very tiny air leaks occurred only when the vehicle's lying for a couple of days and lean on one side. My assistant technician do the necessary repair to push in all the way the pipe in order to tighten and seated properly. Checking of air leak in the air system, sometimes the bulb lock is also leaking. That is why I am using mixed water and liquid soap. Another fuel tank is leaking that has a complaint of fuel mileage, meaning fuel consumption. I was recommended to pull down the fuel tank and have a proper inspection of fuel leaking. Here, I didn't use a liquid soap to check the leak. What I did is just tilted or skew the fuel tank so that the fuel inside the fuel tank penetrates to the suspected parts of leakage. In this case, the customer will decide to replace the fuel tank or patch up the leakage because out of budget. As you can see how I resolved the welded neck torque converter transmission fluid leak where it was, which was unresolved in other garage. An air shock which is having a very tiny air leaks where it was. The whole air shock submerged into the water just to find out a very tiny leaks. Vehicle leaning after lying for 3 days, parking in their house. So this is what I found out. Air bubbles can be visible between the balloon metal joint as shown in this video. A very tiny holes around the metal joint. Without removal and have proper inspections of these was very difficult to rectify the air leaks. This can be corrected if I know. Clear? Wait. Hold the phone. Good? No good. Batal.